Let's make some color changing cabbage water. You need an adult, a red cabbage, a knife, kettle, 2 big bowls or pots, a sieve, a few glasses, and some kitchen liquids such as vinegar, milk, soapy water, or bicarb. To begin, get an adult to chop off half of the cabbage into small pieces. Then place the chopped cabbage in a bowl. Get an adult to pour the boiling water into the bowl and leave it for a couple of minutes. Pour the cool cabbage water mixture through the sieve into the old bowl. And then pour some of the liquid from the bowl into a few glasses. With an adult, add a different kitchen liquid to each glass. And now watch as the cabbage water changes color. But what's happening? Here we've made a pH indicator. This is an important scientific tool to determine the pH, which means how acidic or how basic it is. Red cabbage contains a pigment called anthocyanin. Acidic solutions like vinegar, for example, will turn anthocyanin red. Neutral things like tap water, for example, will only change it to purple, whereas basic solutions such as soapy water or the bicarb turn the anthocyanin green. And now have some fun testing other liquids you might have.